Hey everybody, Friday of Memorial Day weekend, and other than the winds, it's been a pretty nice day. Now, while it's been windy all morning, we could see even some stronger gusts this afternoon, particularly eastern Massachusetts coastline, so from Plymouth to Cape Cod and the islands, under wind advisory from 1 this afternoon until 9 o'clock this evening. We're expecting a sudden shift in the winds from the northwest to the northeast. That'll bring some strong wind gusts and some rapidly falling temperatures. So take a look at the afternoon, especially if you're planning on heading east, maybe going to Cape Cod. Look at the temperatures at 2 o'clock. We're in the mid-70s with a northwest wind across Rhode Island. Watch what happens when the winds start to shift to the north and east. That cold air will quickly move in, so dropping to the 50s in Plymouth, 60s in Bristol County, Mass, and those 70s that are in Rhode Island will quickly drop into the evening back into the 60s and then eventually into the 50s. So if you plan on being out and about this evening, know that it will cool down quickly for you, and overnight our temperatures falling to around 50 degrees under clearing skies and diminishing winds. All right, here's the satellite and radar. We've seen some intervals of sun and clouds this afternoon. A little pressure moving out and high pressure building in. That'll provide the dry air for us, but next system that's on the way for tomorrow night is off over the Midwest, and that is going to be pushing east, and a warm front's going to come through, which is why on Saturday we're dry during the day, but we do have some rain on the way for Saturday night. We're thinking after 10 o'clock at night. Sunday, a morning shower will give way to clearing skies and highs in the lower 80s. It looks dry and pleasant for your Memorial Day. If you're planning on spending the weekend at the beach, we're sunny and dry on Saturday, a little cooler with the wind on shore on Saturday, and early on Sunday, those clouds will give way to brighter skies on Sunday, mid-70s and upper 70s Sunday afternoon, and Monday looking pleasant as well. So pretty good weekend overall for your Memorial Day plans.